everyone. This is Growing Little Ones for Jesus, and we're on our channel, Best Learning Videos for Little Ones. Today we have a very special cooking stove, and we're going to use it to cook up some learning. It's going to be a lot of fun, but I need a special helper to help me out today. How do we find someone to help us? Why don't we use our special oven and cook up some ideas? Let's get started. We're going to take our special oven and pull out the tray. Now we have to spell out a word, and that will give us our helper of the day. What special word could we spell? Let's see. Do you know what letter that is? It's an O. And we've got an R and an A. I don't think it's gonna fit on this tray. Let's see. What else do we have? What do you think we're spelling? We've got a G and an E. Orange. We're spelling orange. What kind of helper would we get that's orange? I don't know, but let's cook it up. We've got our letter cookies, and there we go. What kind of special helper are we gonna get today? Ta-da-da! Let's find out. Hey, our helper is here, and he's orange. I get it. I'm ready to cook. Let's cook something up. All right, we've got our helper. Woohoo! And he is ready to do some cooking with us. This is so exciting. Woo! I love cooking. But what letters will we use next? I am so hungry. Could we cook me up some food? I think we could do that. What if we put some letters on this tray that make some food for Mr. Orange? Oh, that would be amazing. Oh, sorry. Let's work on what we're gonna make Mr. Orange. So if we have a B, and a U, and an N, what does that spell? Bun. Do you think the magic oven will give us some food for Mr. Orange? Let's find out. What's gonna happen? Turn it back around. What's inside? It's a hamburger bun. Oh, that's so awesome. That will be perfect to start out his lunch. But you know what? I think we need some meat to put on that bun. So let's sit our bun over here on our plate. And let's spell some more and see if we can finish his lunch. How would we spell meat? What do you think it starts with? M. That's right, it starts with an M. Meat. And then the vowels are E and A. They make the E sound when they're together. Meat. With a T on the end. Meat. Let's see if we can get some meat for Mr. Orange. Here we go. Look at that! I bet that's his hamburger meat. We can make a hamburger now. Oh, that's starting to look delicious. He's gonna love this food. Now we just need a little dessert to go with this. What kind of dessert should we make? Let's make him a cake. I've got some dough here, and we're gonna make a very special piece of cake for Mr. Orange. Now, do you know how to spell cake? What's it start with? It starts with the letter C. Cake. What's the next letter? A. It's the letter A for cake. And then we have a K and an E. C-A-K-E. Cake. We have a hamburger and some cake. I think Mr. Orange will love this meal. I was super excited to do some spelling with you. And I had a lot of fun cooking up this meal for Mr. Orange. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out our other learning videos and Bible stories on our channel, Best Learning Videos for Little Ones. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!